Hi, it's Koko channel, and today I want to tell you 3 golden rules how to make a perfect dough every time. Rule number 1, you have to mix 3 cups of flour per 1 cup of water. Rule number 2, you should always mix yeast with the sugar but not with the salt. Sugar will make yeast happy, salt will kill the yeast. And rule number 3, you should add a bit of oil in order to protect your dough. And in the end you will have something like this. Very elastic dough. Thanks for watching me. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video, and subscribe. I have a lot of recipes and I will use this to make some pizza later. Thank you, bye! And for those of you who likes POV cooking videos, let's see how the dough is made in real life. So we put a bit of olive oil, we put 3 cups of flour, we put a bit of salt into this flour. After that we put a cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in it, and then we start mixing it. Once all the ingredients is mixed, we have our dough. Our dough is very flexible and it has really nice texture, as you can see. After that we try to make a round shape. We put it in a bowl, and after we spray a bit of oil on top, and we leave it to rest for about 2 hours. We should leave it to rest usually in a warm place with enough of humidity, but you can even leave it outside. It was +5 outside, so not too warm. Humidity was fine, it was a bit sunny. And as you can see, it still rises up.